Hello friends, myself Dr. Pramod Phatak, Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, late Pushpa Devi Patil Arts and Science College, Risod. We have continuously seen the your unit second, and from the unit second part A, that is the crystal field theory. In last lecture, we have discussed about various factors affecting on the crystal field splitting in octahedral field. Okay. In last lecture, we have discussed the different charges on the cation of same metal, which also affects the crystal field splitting. The same charge on the cation of different metals and the nature of transition series. These three factors we have discussed in last lecture which affects the crystal field splitting. Now we will see the next factor, that is the geometry of complex. In octahedral complexes, the splitting of the orbital has been found to be more than twice in tetrahedral complexes. For the same metal ion and ligands, this difference in 10 dq value is due to the two factors. There is the two factors. Okay, it means the splitting of the orbitals in octahedral is larger than the tetrahedral field. So how many larger? There is the twice. Okay, more than twice than the tetrahedral field, which is in octahedral field. So 10 dq value means your del octahedral. We have seen the del octahedral is equal to 10 dq value. So first factor is, in octahedral complexes 6 ligands are involved, while in tetrahedral complexes only 4 ligands are involved. Okay, octahedral means 6 ligands and tetrahedral means, okay, the octahedral complex is in 6 ligands and tetrahedral having a 4 ligand. Okay, this results in 33% decrease in the field strength provided the other factor does not change. Okay, so in that case the 33% decrease in field strength. The second factor is the, in octahedral complexes ligands are positioned exactly in the direction of dz square and dx square minus y square. There is the top two this orbitals. Okay, when we have lastly seen the octahedral splitting, okay, in that splitting dz square and dx square minus y square having a higher energy, means these are the top level orbitals, while in tetrahedral complex the ligands are not situated at any of the d orbitals and thus have more influence on T2g orbitals than on the Eg orbitals. Okay, in tetrahedral complexes the ligands are not situated at any of the d orbital and thus have more influence on T2g orbitals than on Eg orbitals. However, in case of square planar complexes, the degree of splitting is more than in tetrahedral field. Or in square planar complexes, the degree of splitting is more than in tetrahedral field. Now, next factor is the nature of ligands and spectrochemical series. Okay. Also, we have seen the charges and the different metals. Now, one factor is the nature of ligands. So, study of the absorption spectra of a series of complexes of the same metal ion with different ligands. Okay, ligands are the different. shows that the frequency of absorption maximum of the complex and hence del value changes at the ligand varied. Okay, when the ligand change, the del value also change. Based on this, ligands have been categorized as a weak field and strong field ligands. Okay, this value changes, so this value when changes, so it is categorized by the two fields or having a two category, that is the weak field and strong field ligands, which we will discuss in spectrochemical series. This spectrochemical series is for the strong field ligands and for the weak field ligands. The ligands having less splitting ability are called weak field ligands. Okay, ligands having a less splitting ability, these are the weak field ligands, whereas those with greater splitting power are known as strong field ligands. Okay, those are greater splitting, having a greater splitting power is known as strong field ligand. The splitting abilities of various ligands are arrived from the spectra of their complexes. The splitting abilities came from the spectra of their complexes. This is explained in spectrochemical series. Strong field ligands exert a strong field on the central metal ion and hence have a higher splitting power, while weak field ligands exert weaker field on central metal ions so that they have a relatively low splitting power. Okay, strong field ligand exerts strong field on central metal ion, so it is having a higher splitting. Likewise, the weak field ligand exerts weaker field on central metal ion, so having a low splitting power. In other words, the strong field ligands have higher value of del octahedral as compared to the weak field ligand. Means the strong field ligands having a high del octahedral value than that of weak field ligand. Here is the example of CFESC values of chromium in different with different ligands. So here is the chromium CrCl6 3 minus, means chromium in 3 plus. Okay, CrH2O6 3 plus means chromium in 3 plus. Also chromium NH36 3 plus means chromium is in 3 plus. Chromium CN6 3 minus means chromium in 3 plus. Okay, in these four complexes, the chromium is having a 3 plus or common oxidation state. In chromium Cl6, chromium is also in 3 plus oxidation state. Chromium H2O6, in this chromium is in 3 plus. Chromium NH36, in this also chromium is in 3 plus, and chromium Cn6 3 minus is in this also chromium in 3 plus oxidation state. Means this chromium having a same oxidation state or in same D case. Okay, but the ligands are different in each case. So this ligands affects the splitting of the d orbital of central metal atom, and hence the CFSC values or del octahedral values are different for the different ligands. With chlorine, there is a 13640 centimeter inverse. With aqua, 17830 centimeter inverse. With ammonia, 21680 centimeter inverse. And with cyanide, 26280 centimeter inverse. Thus here is the chlorine minus is a weak ligand and Cn minus is a strong ligand. This value suggests that the higher the value means is this ligand is strong field, and this lower the CFSC value means this chlorine is a weak field ligand. Okay, here is the marks of stronger means this one is smaller than this one, is smaller than this one, is smaller than this one. Okay, cyanide is the strong field ligand and chlorine, then water is the weak field ligand. So this is about the factors, which have 5 factors we have discussed in this lecture. So which affects on the crystal field splitting in octahedral field. So which one is that? The first one is the different charges on the cation of same metal. Then the second one is the same charges on the cation of different metal. The third one is the nature of transition series, and the fourth one is the geometry of complexes, and the last one nature of the ligand and spectrochemical series. These are the 5 factors which affects on the crystal field splitting in octahedral complex. Now in next lecture we will discuss the most important aspect, that is the spectrochemical series, which we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.